Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Rio's Easy English. This is day 3 of our 30-day English challenge. And today, we are solving the most important foundation in English, person plus verb system. Because if you don't understand this, you will always make grammar mistakes.
Rio, I always get confused. I don't know when to say do, does, am, is, are.
That's because you don't understand person yet. Let's fix that first. English has 3 persons. First person, I, we. The speaker, I equals one person, we equals more than one person. Second person, you. The listener, you equals one or many people. Third person, he, she, it, they. Someone else.
So everything depends on who is speaking?
Exactly. Person decides the verb. Part 2. Be verb system. Am, is, are. Structure. Subject plus be verb plus complement. Rule. I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. Let's try. Say about yourself.
I am learning English.
Now, about me.
You are teaching me English.
Now, group.
They are practicing English.
Good. This is person plus be verb system. Part 3. Do, does system. Structure. Subject plus do, does plus verb. Rule. I, you, we, they do. He, she, it does. Let's practice. Say sentences.
I do practice English. We do learn every day.
Now, third person.
He does practice English. She does study hard.
Important rule. After does, base verb. He does speaks. Incorrect. He does speak. Correct. Part 4. Simple present verb S rule. Structure. He, she, it plus verb plus S. Say correct forms.
He speaks English. She learns English. It works well.
Good. Part 5. Modal verb system. No change. Structure. Subject plus modal plus base verb. Rule. Same for all persons. No S, no change. Let's practice.
I should practice daily. She should practice daily. He will improve. They will improve.
Good. Modal verbs ignore person changes. Part 6. Negative structure. Let's structure. Subject plus do or does not plus verb.
I do not understand sometimes. He does not understand sometimes.
Good. Part 8. Real conversation. All persons plus verbs. Now, speak naturally about your life.
I am learning English every day. You are helping me improve. He is also learning English. They are practicing together. I do practice regularly. He does practice regularly. I can understand English better now. He can also understand more. Before, I was very nervous, but now I am improving. I should practice more. I must stay consistent. I will continue learning, and I would like to become fluent.
That's perfect. You used person plus verbs correctly. Final simple rule. Person decides verb form. I, am, or do. You, are, or do. He, she, it, is, does, or verb plus s. They, are, or do. Modal verbs, no change.
Now I finally understand the system.
If you understand person plus verbs, English becomes easy.
Yes. Now I can build sentences naturally.
This is day 3 of your 30-day challenge. Tomorrow, we will learn question mastery in real conversation. Don't just learn English, live English.